Hey guys, welcome back to Silly Ginger Toy Reviews. Today we have the Diamond Dig It. And now, here's what's inside. We have a diamond, a hammer, a chisel, and a brush. Now, believe it or not, but if I grab this thing here, we actually have instructions here. So we gotta set it up, we gotta dig it out, and we'll discover what we get. There's a 1 in 24 chance we find a real diamond.
What?
That's crazy.
Yeah!
Now then, let's open this up and see what we get.
Okay!
We have the diamond in its glory. Now, we've actually kept some of the layers so that we stay clean. Nice. But we do have this little opening here so we can start digging. So let's get to work. I'm gonna put the chisel right here. I'm gonna take the hammer. I'm just gonna... Alright guys, this is what we got so far, and it looking pretty promising. Let's see what happens. Alright guys, you won't believe this. After some time, we finally did it. We got the diamond. It was a 1 out of 24 chance and we finally got it. Let's open it up and see what we got. Oh my god, this thing is so messed up, but we finally got it, guys. There it is! The diamond. Alright guys, that'll be the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching and make sure to subscribe.